Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Country Living Homestead. So I thought I would bring you along this afternoon as I try to do the afternoon chores. As you can see, we are getting a serious snowstorm here in New York. And this has just been this afternoon. It's not easy to get into anything, so I have to come out here. You can just see the insane amount of snow we've been getting. I have to come out here with a shovel, get this chicken coop cleared out. The ducks' water was hidden under the snow, so we had to get them something else to drink out of. Luckily, they're packing down a little area in there for themselves. I don't know if I've mentioned this in our videos before, but we absolutely love having the ducks on the homestead. They're super hardy, they don't mind the snow, and they'll come out regardless of the weather. So great homestead animal to have. We have some of our German short-haired pointers out enjoying the snow today. They absolutely love running around in it. Come on, Susie. Come on, Susie. Come on. She's our old girl. She's gonna be 10 next month, so she's not a huge fan of it, but our other girl here, Echo, is loving it. So, time to get started clearing these coops out. Nuts. This snow is literally up halfway up my thighs, and I'm 5'6", so this is completely crazy. Okay, so the first thing that I need to do, I'm gonna start up here at the duck pen. I'm gonna get an area shoveled out. Gonna get an area shoveled out in front of that. And then right next to it, which you can't see right now, behind those trees, is the breast chicken coop. I'm gonna try to get that shoveled out. And hubby is still at work, even though he works from home, but he is still working. He's gonna see if he can get it off a little bit early tonight, because he's going to be tackling all this snow here around the big coop. Also getting us a path up to the water, the frost-free hydrant, and up to the barn. And also clearing out everything up front and our dog kennels as well. All right, guys, so I was able to manage to clear out enough in front of the breast coop to be able to at least open that door and get in there. That is also where we store our duck food. So need to be able to get that in there for the ducks. I've got a clearing in front of their gate, so I can get in there now to feed them. Yeah, this white stuff just does not want to stop coming down today. We're no stranger to snow here in New York, but this is even a lot of snow at one time for us. So I'm sure that hubby will come out later and clean this all up with the snow blower. So in the meantime, I'm going to get the ducks on the breastfed. So they say we're supposed to get about 4 feet total. And I mean, we've got to almost be there, considering all we had yesterday before this started was a very light dusting of snow on the ground. It didn't really start until like 2 or 3 in the morning. But even when we got up this morning, there was only about maybe a foot. So this has just came down in maybe the past like 4 or 5 hours. So it looks beautiful though. But this is just one of those things to take into consideration. If you're thinking about getting into homesteading, take your climate into account. Make sure that you're prepared to handle something like a really heavy snow load. You can see from the top of this chicken coop how much snow we've got today. Crazy. But yeah, it definitely makes a little bit more work on the homestead, but we're okay with that. And I'm gonna go ahead and close this video because we have a couple more hours of snow removal ahead of us. So thanks so much for stopping by the homestead. We hope that you're having great weather where you are. Stay safe, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.